Welcome to the channel, Trader Jan speaking. We doing the preparation for the trading day on the 8th of December for Monday. Now we have seen over the last couple of days there's an upwards push. This is the daily chart. What's going to be very interesting to see during the next session on Monday is where will the market go from here? Like it got already rejected quite a few times on certain locations. So here, this area got rejected. And now if the market goes up here and this rejection line which will be support, then all long. Now here it got as well, was first rejected here, and then when the market comes down here, let's see what happens here. It might bounce back into that and there's going to be a range for some days, or if it goes down here, then we're going to be short here. So from a daily perspective, those are the two markers here where we need to watch 6860 and 6790. Now looking at it from a bit closer perspective, let's open our let's show our locations which we defined so far. We've seen already at the review of the trading day, of the last trading day, that our location here was not really precise. We should better look at this location here. Reason being that moment and here. That here was a lot of rejection, support. So it might well be that we're gonna have here rejection again. So that's about the lower boundaries of the market. Here with that one, I feel pretty well. I would even go further here. That's the market is a bit of in a rush upwards, that we would go into an exhaustion here, and up here I would rather see the markets being rejected here while trading within that range here. There has been a lot of volume printed in that range, and let's see what's going to happen markets wise. So, and here I tend to move this range up here and say at some point, let's keep it like that one here. So going to the 50 minutes chart, is the volume profiles are the same, right? It's just it's being shown with more bars here, but the volume printed on the market is exactly the same. So from a 15 minutes chart, it looks okay for me. So that's a preparation. Oh, that's a quite huge area here. So let's go to our daily chart, because a 15 minutes chart, we don't go back that far. What happened here in between? That's gonna be the interesting part. Let's see. So we got our, in terms of volume, I would even adopt that here. If I look at this one here, I would even adopt this one here, because there has been a lot of volume here, and then suddenly here came a lot of volume in there and the market rejected. And then we got this area here, potential exhaustion area. We got, I'm looking at this area here now. There has been volume printed. And this is 50 ticks away. I tend to say there is something about to happen here, and at the beginning of this huge volume here. I would even go a little bit further down here, so in that area. And then once the market is up here, I would rather see the market going up here and exhausting actually on this area. But here in this area might print a lot of volume. Okie dokie. That's from a daily, that's from an hourly chart perspective. Yeah. So that's about it for the market preparation for Monday. Let's see what happens on the day, and see you down at the trading floor.